Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to request a refund using the Walmart app quickly and easily. First, open your Walmart app and go to Account, then select Purchase History. Here you'll see all your past orders. Select the order or item you want to return or refund. Next, tap on Start a Return. Select the items you want to return, choose your reason for the return, and then pick whether you want a refund or a replacement. You can also add optional comments if needed, then tap Continue. You'll now see the available return methods. For in-store returns, bring your barcode or return email. For mail returns, print your return label, attach it to the package, and drop it at USPS, FedEx, or schedule a pickup if available. Refunds go back to your original payment method. Credit or debit cards take up to 10 business days. Walmart gift cards and credits are almost instant, and other methods like PayPal may take longer. If you don't have a receipt, just show valid ID for in-store returns. And that's it. Now you know how to request a refund on the Walmart app. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.